Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Bullet Engine. In today's video we are in the AI art series. We are going to create these kind of beautiful images from the image. So let's get started. Open up the stable diffusion, and in the previous videos we were using the text to image, but in this video we are going to create image from the image. So for this one I write this prompt: very cute Disney character from up 2009, Unreal Engine, photorealistic and beautiful hairs. Okay, I'm going to drop an image here, image of my daughter. Okay, and this is the prompt, and these are the settings. Hello, sampling steps will be 38, width is 960 and 540 is the height. Total batch will be 4 and CFG scale will be 2. Okay, so these are the basic settings for this one. Denoising strength is 0.7. Okay, let's run this prompt and see what are the results. Let's wait for a while. Get the result. It looks we are getting some good results. Yeah, these are very nice, beautiful. Yeah, very cute. One is also very cute. Yeah, very beautiful. These pictures. So for more videos and tutorials, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Bye bye.